Hello guys, how do you do today? Yes, today is we're gonna learn about how to generate description, titles, hashtag, and text for your YouTube video with ChatGPT. So let's go together. First of all, we go to Google to search ChatGPT. ChatGPT, yeah, and then we choose this one, ChatGPT. And then one, you can sign up for free, or you can look in to get more answer, or to get more question as ChatGPT to do. So I sign up for free with my Google email. So let's go together. Easy, easy, easy. Now it's okay. That this is my history that I use to ask ChatGPT to generate for me. So let's go to the new chart together. So now let's go. Uh, we want the ChatGPT give us the title about your topic in the YouTube. So for example, please give me the YouTube video title. Please give me the YouTube. Please give me why YouTube video title about. This is you can write a topic about cute baby girl playing alone. Playing alone in. Please give me the SEO, the SEO YouTube video. Why YouTube video title about cute baby girl playing alone, and then we click here. So now the ChatGPT will be generate the title and ask you to choose five of this one. This one, it is the five title that have SEO, and you can copy it and paste in your video title. And now let's go to ask ChatGPT to write your description for this video. Please write the YouTube description descrip- description about above topic, and then ChatGPT will generate the about topic. About this is the description about this topic, and it will have what is adorable from. This is the ChatGPT, and also they include also hashtag also, and then we need the tag for this video. Ask the ChatGPT again for generate the hashtag for you. Give me the text about topic here, and then they will generate the tag for your YouTube video about cute baby girl playing alone. Here about cute baby girl playing alone, and then they will ChatGPT will generate the tag for you, and you can copy and paste in the tag after you upload the video here. And also they also create the hashtag for you too. That's all for you today. Thank you.